Hey guys, Sean with MarineMax Jupiter and also your local Aquila specialist. We just got this Aquila 36 in, equipped with a cruiser package and V10 400s. Now let's talk about the engines a little bit. These V10 400s by Mercury really push this boat the way it intends it to be used. You're going to be cruising in the upper 30s with this engine package and then topping out at, around 48, 49 miles an hour. Burn rate at cruise, you're going to be around 1.1, 1.2 miles to the gallon, and then top out, you're going to be right around 0.8, 0.9 miles to the gallon, which is really efficient for a boat this size. Let's get into it. So before we get into the cockpit, I want to show something very unique on the 36 Aquila that I personally really love. We have a full-size dive ladder that easily swings out and comes back in. And you can get it really easy when you're out. And the unique thing about this ladder style is when you have it fully deployed, the handrails stick like a foot above the deck. That way when you're coming up, you're not trying to grab onto anything like a cleat or something. It's just like coming up a regular ladder. Very nice touch from Aquila on there. And you can see it on all models. We have an aft facing seat right here with storage underneath your freshwater shower, and this seat also, push of a button, converts into a giant day bed. Storage underneath this side as well, and then when you're not wanting it in a day bed anymore, bring it back up. Over on the port side in the cockpit, we have a seat with your extra shore power cord and more storage down in here. If you have little ones running around the boat, close this gate right here, keeps them inside. This Aquila 36 is equipped with a barbecue fridge module instead of your standard seat, which I personally love this option because you get the grill outside of your salon and everything. So the grease, the mess, everything stays outside and it's easier to clean. And you get an additional fridge. So who doesn't love more fridge space? Now, before we get inside the cockpit, you're gonna see a 3-pane sliding door. What I like about this sliding door is you can configure it really the way you want. So if we wanted to stop it right there, keep 2 panes right there, and then the entrance is going to be on the starboard side, we can do that. Or we can move it all the way to the starboard side, keep it in on the center, and then you can also configure it that it goes all the way to the starboard side. So right here we have it closed. Or let's say you're at the sandbar, you're not using the starboard side of the boat that much, you open it all the way up so that now your L-shaped seating with your table is completely open and free of obstruction. Moving into the salon, we have our induction cooktop, we have our sink right here, and you got storage down here and dedicated storage for your sink lid. Additional isotherm fridge right here with freezer, which the one outside with the module is the exact same. Air conditioning in the salon. Bigger unit than we need in this situation, because here down in Florida, hot summer, we want that AC to keep up with it. Flip-flopping backrest right here for the port side, and underneath this seat we have a giant insulated cooler as well. So if you're underway, you move this seat towards the back, and then you got a double wide right here as well as a double wide at the helm. Now here at the helm we have dual 12-inch Raymarine axioms. This boat is equipped with your radar, so that makes it a really nice setup right here, because you have your Mercury vessel view right there, all your engine data through there, put your chart on one screen and then put your radar on the other. So you have a really wide variety of all your information right there at your fingertips, and makes it just for a safe crossing to the Bahamas and whatnot. Fusion audio, upgraded Fusion audio with lights throughout the entire boat. This boat lights up really nice at night, changes the entire game of the boat. Moving forward, we have a Very nice and spacious bow. And this is where the beam of the boat really comes out to play. This boat has a 14.7 beam, and that allows us to have such a wide and spacious bow. So you can go from a regular seating, 4 seating right here, into a lounger or sunbed as well. So you can really configure this area the way you want it. We have our anchor locker right here, windlass, and you do have a wireless remote that you can walk around the boat with and drop your anchor at the helm. One thing to note, most manufacturers put a raw water wash down here. Not with Aquila, we put a fresh water wash down. What I typically do, I put like a 20-foot garden hose in there. That way when we come back into the port, I just wash the entire boat with the boat's water. That way we're always cycling through the boat's water and you don't get that stanky water. This is going to be access to your anchor rod and then storage all underneath here. Giant storage throughout the entire boat. Now we have mirror images on the cabins. Big difference on the starboard side. You got your electrical panel right here. So on your electrical panel, you can do all your DC voltage, your AC voltage. And what's unique with Aquila, they have a lot of the items on your 12-volt circuit panel. That way you don't really need to either run the generator or constantly be on shore power unless you want to run the air conditioning units. If you're not running your air conditioning units, you're good to go to leave the generator off or disconnect your shore power. You'd be good to go. Nice wet head right here with lots of closet space. Closet space back here. More storage underneath here and behind this door as well. Handheld shower for the wet head, privacy curtains, and then you got a modified queen bed. Moving over on the port side, it's the identical setup as the starboard side. Only difference is you don't have that electrical panel, but you keep that. Here you can see how they have the shower in play. Right here up top. Storage access right here as well, and hanging closet. More storage down here. As you can see, exactly the same as the starboard side. Another thing I want to point out is the roof hatches. So let's say it's one of those beautiful days that you're not running the air conditioning units throughout the boat. Keep this open, pop those as well, and then just let that nice and cool breeze come in. This table also drops down and becomes a day bed if you wanted to, or if you got little ones that are sleeping on the boat as well, close everything up since it's a cruiser package. Just let them sleep and have a camp out up here. So as you can see, this Aquila 36, being with the cruiser package, it's a very versatile boat, and really you can do anything you want to do with it. Bad weather coming in, close the entire boat up, crank the AC, and I've been in 4 to 5 footers with it, kept the autopilot on, kicked it back, relaxed, and I did not panic at any moment. You can run it up on the sandbars, go up on island hopping in the Bahamas. Really, really great boat for the size. Again, this is Sean with MarineMax Jupiter, your local Aquila specialist. Come see us today.